race, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, you'll be seeing a lot of your old favorites today. Some of the drivers have driven from as far away as Los Angeles in order to take part in this annual race.
Step on it, you lunkheads. The race is about to start.
I don't get it. Why are we pushing?
To save gas.
Swell.
And now, drivers, mount up your horseless carriages. The race is about to begin. Clear the track, please. Now, here's our starting lineup. In car number 1, Eddie Rutabaga. In car number 2, Dirty Dan Dimwitty, last year's champ. Wave to the dirty crowd, Dad. I mean, wave to the crowd, Dirty. Old Dirty is the unpopular favorite to win this race again, like every year. Uh-oh, get set, gang. There goes the gun. They're off.
All right, who turned out the lights?
Maybe they'll call the race on account of darkness.
I just love these dirty, tricky starts.
Hey, we're supposed to be going forward.
But that's up to the driver.
All right, wise guy, this is just a temporary setback. I've heard of horsepower, but this is ridiculous.
Eddie Rutabaga has the lead, followed closely by Billy Begonia. And wait a minute. There goes Dirty Dan Dimwitty. He's leading the pack. He's pulling away. But hold it, ladies and gentlemen. Here come the Three Stooges. I don't believe it. Oh, still trying to catch up with old Dirty Dan, eh?
Hang on, the bridge is up.
So are we.
It's nice up here this time of day.
Yeah, no traffic.
Last one down is a rotten egg. How about that? We're in the lead again.
That does it.
Something tells me we should have let him pass.
Hey, I can see Hawaii from here.
Don't worry, I'll get us down.
I don't doubt that for a minute.
And here comes the winning auto now. Of course, it's Dirty Dan, and wait a minute. It's the Three Stooges.
Hey, slow down.
We're out of control.
Naturally, we got no brakes.
Track.
Look, we got the trophy.
You never look better, you jughead.
We're champs. Nothing can stop us now.
You ain't kidding. We'll be traveling clear into next Wednesday. Drag your feet, you knuckleheads.